Hello, everybody. I'm taking a bit of a break from the gazebo building for a really easy little home improvement. It's a little thing, but I think it makes a big difference. So before we get into the unboxing, please be sure to like and subscribe. You got to get those subscribers up so I can monetize this channel. Thanks. Yeah, I live in a 1980s model house, and a lot of times they just, they skimped on a few little things. And one of the things they skimped on in this house is putting in closet lights. Uh, so, but no problem. They've got all these rechargeable little LED lights on the market now, and I just bought this one for Amazon. There's a I'm not sponsored by this company in any way. There's a lot of models out there for this. I just thought at that price, it's pretty good. And there's two little lights, so you'll see when we get to the install, why I kind of picked the two lights. I think it looks a little bit better. Okay, so what I can say here, LED lights. Comes with this model came with two charging cables and little magnets with adhesive backs to stick them into the closet. I think it was pretty straightforward. I was a little bit confused on how the magnets attached, but once I got into the closet and started putting them up, that was pretty clear. The adhesive goes to the wood shelf, your hat rack shelf, and then these just attached to that. That in this model, there's two different settings. That's a quick time, like a 30-second timer to time out in 2.5 minutes. So probably for me, like a 30 seconds fine, and as soon as I shut the door, it'll go out. Well, anyway, let's let's look at the cables and the little magnets first. So, okay, these are the little magnets with adhesive backs, and the idea is, just pull that little red tape off there, stick that onto the shelf, and then it, just sticks to the light. These are not strong magnets, but they're certainly strong enough to hold that light up. I mean, it's not like, well, we're not in an earthquake zone here in Louisiana. So anyway, let's just put these up and see how they look. So I just used that blue tape, masking tape, to mark where I wanted the light to go roughly. And you can see I've got the little magnets up there. Just put the magnets on the light and then get it where I want, and just a little pressure, it will stick it on, and you're good to go. So it's timed out now, and I'm going to open the door. Oh, well, it noticed I was there, but there you go. And you can see how now the two lights on the side, I kind of like that effect. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.